Here you can see I've created a survey which I sent out to the girls in my sorority, and I also sent out in our group me for the EDCI 270 lab. So here I have made questions, and here they're able to respond. And I've had 15 different responses from the girls. So here you can see that how familiar are you with horses? And I just put in different numbers, which would 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you could tell that nobody was really familiar with them. They don't really know much about them. So this was a open response. So I asked how many times girls have been around horses, or guys. I guess the EDCI class, there could be guys that answered. So there was very ranging. Some people didn't know, some people never. So this is kind of a question that relates only to the specific horse. Every horse is different, but usually horses get fed 2 to 3 times a day, so some people were not clue about it, had no idea. This one, yes, it is definitely okay to have a trainer at a show. I have one, have always had one. And you can see some people thought no, so it's kind of surprising. And then anything about genetics of horses or anything like that, a lot of people answered no or NA or no. Pretty much all no. Nobody really knew anything about it. And then anything they know about horses, and some people, that is true right here. You measure their height in hands, which is pretty interesting. So I got 15 responses, and I think that's pretty good to have to make tables and charts to show people really don't know a bunch about horses, so it'd be really cool to teach them and inform them about them.